be starting in about 3 minutes. We'll get the show started then. Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to the last session of the Applied Ergonomics Conference for 2025. I'm Dr. Carrie Beth Scheel. I will be your chair for next year, so I'm really excited to see all of you back in Texas. I'd like to start, actually I have an announcement. We had a pair of glasses that were left on the podium in Salon 3. So if anybody's missing those, let us know. They're actually at the registration desk. All right, I'd also like to then thank all of you for attending. Hopefully you had a great conference. I know I did. I got to see a lot of people, meet a lot of new people, which is the most exciting part for me. Yes, I learned some things along the way, but for me, it's the interaction and the networking. Excuse me. I have just the end of influenza A after 6 weeks. I can't get rid of my cough and my voice. Excuse me. All right, so again, thank you all for coming. I'd also then like to thank our keynote speakers. Carl and Mike, thank you both for attending and presenting us with some awesome information. I heard a lot of great feedback from everyone who attended those sessions. I'd also like to thank the IISC team. If you could all stand. I know I'm making them do it while eating. I'd especially like to thank Anna. She has been like the heart of the conference. So I know she puts in a ton of work ahead of time and during the conference, as well as now after, to make sure we're all ready to head to next year. I'd also like to say thank you to all of our alliance partners, sponsors, and exhibitors. The alliance partners are the international partners that work with IISE. Our sponsors, you can see here, and again, thank you, sponsors, for attending and helping us make this conference great. thank you to our exhibitors. I've heard phenomenal comments about the exhibits this year. I got a chance to walk around and meet most of you who have been here. Thank you. We wouldn't be here today without you. Anyone here that's a new CPE or CEA, could you please stand? Anybody? I know you work hard. That 7.5-hour exam is exhausting. Okay, nobody new this year. Hopefully next year. Save the date. Now's the chance you have to mark your calendars for next year. Keep in mind that the conference is a little bit earlier than it was this year. March 9th through the 11th. It's at the brand new Lowe's Arlington Hotel in Arlington, Texas. So we should have a great time in Texas. We have a lot of companies and vendors that attend from the Texas area, so I'm looking forward to that. Also, just a reminder, with the earlier conference date, it means that applications for the Ergo Cup and for presenting will also be moved up. So keep an eye out on your emails and on the website for that information. Please submit your case studies to the IISE, Transactions in Occupational Ergonomics and Human Factors Journal. We're looking for more information, and you can find information on how to submit that case study on the IISE website. Feedback. When you go into the app, make sure that you're looking, there's 2 places to provide feedback. One is on the main page for that individual session, and there's 5 stars. So you can rate it there. You also need to go to the bottom of the information for that presentation, and in there you will find a submit feedback button. Go to that and it will take you to a new page where you can provide individual feedback for that session. We also have a conference evaluation, so once you're done here and sitting at the airport waiting to go somewhere else, go back home, please make sure that you're filling out the full conference evaluation. Your conference committees and the leadership team use that information to help improve the conference for next year. All right, we had bingo winners, people who put in their bingo sheets. I'm going to keep reminding people next year we're going to have to do this more and more. But our bingo winner this year is Amber Guidel. All right, Amber, you will get a free admission to the conference next year. Okay. All right. Who's waiting for the Ergo Cup results? All right, well, I'd like to call Jeff and Lisa to the stage. Has anybody seen them? Jeff and Lisa, where are you?
Good.
Okay, good. I'll do one more while you're going.
On workers all across the globe. And there is nothing you can do.
Hang on. Hang on, give me a minute. Come on, rewind. Hang on. We'll get it right.
Come to the dark side.
To impose high forces, awkward postures, and repetitive motions on workers all across the globe, and there is nothing you can do about it.
Oh, right here, right here.
Not quite as bad as last year when I was running around. How's my hair? So good always defeats evil, right? Light overcomes darkness. You guys are the light, the hope, the inspiration, the good guys, the force. Even though you're usually trying to reduce the force, you're still the force behind these efforts to make an impact, to make a difference, to improve the human condition, and at the same time, improving your company's profitability, all at the same time. I love you. We love you as co-chairs. The Ergo Cup judges and the selection committee love you. Everybody that comes through your booths in the exhibit hall, they all love you. You guys are truly the heartbeat of this conference and what makes it so great. So doing everything that you guys are doing truly makes a difference. And that should be rewarded in and of itself, right? You guys are the show. So with that, y'all are all winners. So we don't really need to announce any winners, right? We don't need to announce any winners. Yeah, I'm not from that generation where everybody gets a trophy either. So we will get into the winners. But honestly, you guys truly are the stars of this show. Oh.
They don't have a good distance.
Curveball.
Okay.
Good.
There we go. Excellent. You guys truly are the stars of the show. You guys are what really bring tons of attendees from across the United States and across the globe to participate, to come, to learn from you. So we are so excited. You guys are all awesome. You are all stars. And it was really amazing. All of the judges can reinforce this, reiterate this, that we saw some amazing stuff. Because we were looking for innovation. We were looking for risk reduction. We were looking for business impact. We were looking for how you set objectives and how you met those. And we were looking for how you involved workers, the people who are really at the pointy end of the stick, most at risk of getting hurt. And we saw some amazing things. There was some projects that eliminated amazing amounts of lifting. 100-pound lifts, no longer. One facility or one project limited over 150,000 lifts per year. Another one in one day lifted 27,000 pounds of lifting each day.
Eliminated
It, right? There were thousands of repetitive motions removed from processes. Cycle times were reduced, many times 50%, up to 65% that I saw. One project eliminated having to work 523 hours in a cooler. Can you imagine that? You want that job? One project provided work for a whole group of differently abled individuals. Projects enhanced product quality, consistency, eliminated defects, and one project even found a new stream use for a waste stream. So whereas a project that parts they had to pay to get rid of, they now used in their process.
I'll move this up for Lisa. I fought her too hard.
Excellent. So all of y'all are amazing. All of these wonderful accomplishments, and we are just so pleased that you're here and you chose to come and participate. You really are the stars. And I think as when the conference was open, someone said the heartbeat of this conference, look around. That's all of you. So thank you.
Yep. And honestly, the presentation quality that I got to witness with the group that I've gone through and everybody that I saw, presentation quality truly out of this world. You see what I did there? Out of this world, okay?
Excellent. Well, I get the privilege of thanking folks. First of all, I would like to thank our sponsor, the Ergo Center, the Ergonomics Center, and the Edward P. Fitz Department of Industrial and Systems Engineering at NC State University. They are the sponsor for the event. They are what allow us to put on this marvelous event. I also want to thank my, let's give them a hand. Woo! I would also like to thank my partners in crime, Jeff Hoyle. Monica, unfortunately, could not be with us, and IISE. Amazing support. We obviously have fun. It's fun judging. It's a lot of work, but it's fun and it's worth it. And I want to thank my co-chairs here.
And Anna. Couldn't
Anna.
do this without Anna.
Where's Anna? Woohoo! There she is. We go to her for so much. And we would be remiss if we didn't mention the judges. And there's really two sets of judges. There's a set of judges that helps us select the finalists, and they do it remotely. And thank you to every single one of you who spent hours, most often on your own time, late in the evenings, on weekends, to judge all the submissions and select you awesome projects who are here with us today. I'd also like to recognize the judges that gave up a half a day plus of their conference here today to go around and judge the projects. If you're a judge and still here, would you please stand? Excellent. And let me tell you, it is not an easy job to judge. Particularly that final discussion is not fun because there's so much awesomeness out there. It's really hard to make the selection. So I thank every one of the judge who subjected themselves to both the fun part and the challenging part of the judging process. We couldn't
choosing
do
a
this.
winner. Of
And
choosing a winner.
because it's hard
That's
to
the
choose
hard
between.
part.
Sorry, Michael.
I'm good.
Excellent. So again, thank you. There's a lot of people to thank, a lot of individuals, a lot of different organizations. But I think they probably want to hear a little bit more about them.
I would
You
agree.
think?
Yes, yes, ma'am. So we're gonna recognize every team that made it to the show. This is the show, and we'll recognize you guys by categories. So what we're gonna ask you to do for each category, as we call your name, we got pictures of you guys with with your pictures and your names and which site you came from. We'll have you guys stand. If we can hold the applause until the end of that category, just to streamline things and make it go a little quicker, it would help us out. So have you stand, stay standing until all of the teams in that category are recognized. Okay?
And we apologize in advance if there's any mispronunciation of any city name. We apologize in advance, especially me.
You got the hard ones, I think. Okay, so we'll start with the first category we're going to start with is task-focused workplace solutions, manual material handling tasks. First finalist we wanted to recognize is Dorton Dumbwaiter, GE Appliances, Louisville, Kentucky. Please stand.
Oh, see?
One set of instructions, Lisa. Hold the applause until the end of the category.
Sorry.
Thought I was pretty clear. So you guys are going to have to just stand longer. All right, next one. Powered transfer cart, Cintas, Graham, North Carolina, my neck of the woods. Project Rise, a no-bending solution, Amazon. iWash Ergo Handle, Cintas, Bedford, Virginia. Zero Lift Factory / Lift Assist, Raytheon, Forest, Mississippi. Dolly Assist Saves the Day, Toyota, Princeton, Indiana. There they are. CO2 rack attachment for RD cart, Coca-Cola Beverages Northeast in Bedford, New Hampshire. Arm support for Phi harness, Gulfstream Aerospace in Savannah, Georgia. Remove wheels tanks, PPG, Valladolid, Spain. How'd I do? Okay. Valladolid. Pale tilt cart, PPG, Canada, Mississauga, Ontario. I got some hard ones too. Tote slide, Mazda Toyota Manufacturing in Madison, Alabama. HVAC coil transport cart redesign, Train Technologies in Vidalia, Georgia. Radiator sliders, Honda Development and Manufacturing of America in Lincoln, Alabama. Door check tilt table, also Honda Development and Manufacturing of America, also in Lincoln, Alabama. 2 teams, 2 projects from that site. Project Jenga, elimination of manual handling of frozen liquid egg product, Cargill, Lake Odessa, Michigan. Improvements for infrared non-destructive test inspections of composite panels, Lockheed Martin Corporation in Littleton, Colorado. Yes, you have to stand up. Yeah. All right, round of applause for that category. Manual material handling. Great job, great job.
Removing our tripping hazard. She knows us too well.
Thank you, Julie.
So I get the pleasure of congratulating all the finalists in the Task-Focused Workplace Solutions Repetitive and/or Awkward Postures Tasks category. The first finalist in this category, we have the Ray Gun, Honda of South Carolina Manufacturing in Timmonsville, South Carolina. I know, it takes a while to train me. So, Mextech Mixer, Gulfstream Aerospace Corporation in Pooler, Georgia. We have Bag Tension Feeder Bar, Coca-Cola, Kapolei, Hawaii.
Kapolei, I think.
Kapolei. See, he has to help me.
Kapolei.
Kapolei.
Hawaii.
The Smooth, the Lacerator, Toyo Tires of North America, White, Georgia. Wire Harness Cable Guide Clip Press, Volkswagen Group of America in Chattanooga, Tennessee. Lexus Lower Radiator Support Bolt Remover, Toyota Motor North America in Georgetown, Kentucky. Assembly Hood Strut Jig, Toyota Motor Manufacturing, Texas Incorporated, San Antonio, Texas. Oscillating Grinder, GE Aerospace in Beaver Creek, Ohio. Safer Scavenge Engine Thrives Risk Dives, GE Aerospace in, Pune, Maharashtra, India.
Maharashtra.
I can't say it fast enough. And then the thing was covering Pune. I couldn't even see Pune, so whew, I was in trouble there. Okay, back to Jeff.
Round of applause for that category. That's the repetitive motion, awkward posture category. Very good. Okay, so the next category we want to recognize, also under the task-focused workplace solutions, is for maintenance and other non-standard tasks. So first team we want to recognize in this category, Prevent the Strain, Don't Lift the Propane, Johns Manville, Defiance, Ohio. Train Technologies, Chiller Maintenance Specialty Tools, Train Technologies in Davidson, North Carolina. Also my neck of the woods. Wireless Bobbin Lock Detection, Michelin in Anderson, South Carolina. Side Pin Extractor, Mazda Toyota Manufacturing in Madison, Alabama. Vending Machine Assist Tool, VMAT, from Swire Coca-Cola, Tempe, Arizona. Hanging Around, Honda Development and Manufacturing of America in East Liberty, Ohio. And congratulations. Woo! Congratulations to that category. Maintenance and other non-standard work.
We have another task-focused workplace solution, and this is the miscellaneous or multitask. The first finalist is Out with the Old and In with the New, Vessel Press, GE Vernova in Schenectady, New York. The Automatic Clamping Fixture and Aircraft Transparency Contour Inspection, PPG in Huntsville, Alabama.
Must have left already.
Opening press for the connector to back shell clip, Gulfstream Aerospace Corporation in Savannah, Georgia. Advanced Rocket System Platform Rollover, Lockheed Martin Corporation, Camden, Arkansas. Okay.
Round of applause for that category.
Good job.
Great job. Okay, next category is for new product or new job design solutions. So this was the first year we actually had some valid projects that submitted into this category that were accepted. So first one I wanted to recognize is the Slurry Swiffer EV battery manufacturing, Toyota Motor North America in Liberty, North Carolina. Unboxed Manufacturing, Seats on Pack from Tesla Incorporated in Palo Alto, California. Electronics Tray Rotating Assembly Fixture, Lockheed Martin Corporation in Palm Beach, Florida. Congratulations. New product or new job design solutions.
Yeah, that was the first time. Second year we've had the category. First time we've had finalists display at the conference. So great job. Congratulations. Now I get the final Ergo Cup category and to share the names of your fantastic finalists in the ergonomics program improvement initiatives, both office and industrial initiatives. And the first one here is, May the Force be with you. Jedi Training for Perfecting Door Garnish Installation, Honda of Canada Manufacturing in Alliston, Ontario.
Thanks for the props, guys.
Yes, thank you. And Toyota Ability at Toyota Motor Manufacturing in San Antonio, Texas. And Torque This, an Ergo Torque Guidelines chart from GE Aerospace in Evendale, Ohio. And Proactive Ergonomics Report, Ford Motor Company in, of course I can't even see this one, Hermosillo, Sonora, Mexico.
Hermosillo, Sonora, Mexico.
I speak German, I do not speak Spanish, I'm so sorry. So, and then another one from the same site, Limit app Ford Motor Company, Hermosillo, Sonera, Mexico. Am I close?
Close. Hermosillo.
We worked on it, believe it or not. Okay, well, that's all of them.
Congrats, finalists.
Stars.
Wow.
Again, you guys are all the stars of the show.
Sorry.
So seriously, every one of you is a
Need
winner.
eye protection.
Being here, yeah, eye protection. Every single one of you, by being here and being able to display a booth, you are a winner. You are the light. So, but it is time now to announce the first winners. Are you guys excited? Because we could just stop here. We could just stop, couldn't we?
We could stop. Yep.
Yeah.
Go home.
Go home. I thought the cheesecake was marvelous, by the way. So, salad and cheesecake, that's a great lunch.
I think that joke's getting old, though. They're getting tired of that one, I
Okay,
believe.
let's go.
Okay, so when we recognize your team, we do want you guys to come up, right? Come up, and you'll approach the podium on this side, walk up the steps. You'll receive your plaque from Julia. You'll come over to this side, and we'll get pictures taken on this side. The lighting is a little bit better, I think, on this side. Receive your award, and you can exit down this set of steps and back to your table. Make sense?
And
Okay.
it is the executive director of the Ergo Center, Miss Julia Abate, presenting the awards. Woohoo!
Thanks for employing me, Julia. Sorry if I'm embarrassing you. Okay, so I think I have the privilege to announce the first winner of the Ergo Excellence Awards, which is for innovation. So again, as you guys well know, this is for the People's Choice Award. So you guys voted on these, right? These are the winners that you guys voted on through the app. So for innovation, the Ergo Cup Excellence Award, may the force go to Mextex Mixer, Gulfstream Aerospace, Pooler, Georgia.
You can just hit the thing.
Come on down.
Come on down! Come on down! If you can enter the stage on this side, please.
You can kick that in if you need to. There we go.
Some of the great information about their project right here. Excellent, great job. Just hit it. Go ahead.
Okay, I got you.
Okay, the next Ergo Cup Excellence Award is for simplicity. Simplicity. And that award goes to... And the force is with Remove Wheels Tanks, PPG. Help me out. Valledo, Spain.
Valladolid, Spain. Yeah?
Let
Okay.
him say it. I tried really hard.
You guys came a long way,
that one
so
is my
that was
hardest.
awesome.
Fantastic job, guys. Woohoo!
The ergonomics team at the PPG Valladolid plant is proud
So there you
to
go,
present
Valladolid.
the
We just had to
portable
listen to
tank
that.
wheel
Valladolid,
removal
just say,
project
yeah,
implemented for the Ergo Cup 2024. This project is part of the Ergo project at the PPG Valladolid plant, the result of an ergonomics workshop held in 2023 in which a multidisciplinary team of workers of all ranks participated regardless of their physical or legal restrictions, could carry out any task within the factory in the different workstations, this promoting diversity in the workplace. In the preparation for this workshop, 168 red flags were identified and 52 solutions were devised to reduce them by 65% to 58 flags by 2025. Manual handling of portable tanks is one of the most widespread activities in the factory, involving more than 90% of the workers in the production area. This activity is associated with several ergonomic risks, such as initial pushing or pulling forces in excess of 22.7 kilograms, forceful efforts, especially with the hands, elbows extended away from the side of the body, working with the body bent forward or stretched out to reach for something, physically moving materials long distances, Hand tools are equipment that vibrate or twist when engaged. In addition to this red flag assessment, there are 3 more red flags due to an incident reported in 2022 for the manual handling of portable tanks. In this incident, the worker involved suffered a fibrillar rupture of the biceps. It was not an easy task for the plant's ergonomics team and the involvement of the workers to find an economical, practical and safe solution to eliminate the risk in carrying out this task. The first proposal was to install a motorized wheel on the portable tanks to avoid manual handling, but the suppliers we contacted did not offer a solution capable of being used in explosive atmosphere environments. The second proposal was an electric tugboat. This proposal was perfectly suited to the needs of the workers, but it was not economically viable, as the price was very high. Finally, one worker proposed the descent of a base to attach to the bottom of the portable tanks, thus eliminating the wheels and the need for a rudder to maneuver the weight. This would allow the portable tanks to be handled by the electric pallet trucks we already have, and the cost offered by the local supplier was not exorbitant. The engineering department of the PPG Valladolid plant designed and detailed together with the supplier the first prototype of a standard base to fit all portable tanks of 2.200 litre capacity. This prototype was tested by the workers at the most critical points. On stirrers, where height was limiting. In one of our dispensing systems, where space and the inclination of the ramp were limiting. On the scales, where the weight of the base was limiting. And with hydraulic jacks, where there could be some risk. And finally, after many tests and 3 different prototypes, we managed to solve a major ergonomic problem in the factory. This original, economical and creative solution was implemented on the 30 portable tanks we have at the PPG Valladolid plant, making this task in operation without any associated ergonomic risk for any worker. The whole staff is very happy and satisfied with the objectives achieved in this project. The risk of this task has been eliminated and the risk of injury from handling the portable tanks has been greatly reduced. With this project, we have contributed to the common goal that any worker, regardless of their physical or legal restrictions, can carry out any task within the factory at the different workstations. This solution and the solutions proposed to improve the ergonomics of the PPG Valladolid plant have been possible thanks to the involvement of the ergonomics team and, in particular, of all the workers. Thank you very much.
Again, nice job, guys.
Good job. Woo!
Okay, I have the pleasure of announcing the next Ergo Cup Excellence Award. This one is for business impact / return on investment. And the force is with Radiator Sliders, Honda Development and Manufacturing of America, Lincoln, Alabama. Come on down. I'm not dancing, Lisa.
Stop.
Nice job, guys.
Did you hit the slide to do their? They didn't have a video.
This is a video.
Oh, it wasn't on.
Yeah. It's up to them on what they're playing.
Excellent. Good job. Woo-hoo!
Nice job, Honda.
And the Ergo Cup Excellence Award for Ergonomic Risk Reduction. And the force is with Arm Support for Fire Harness, Gulfstream Space Corporation, Savannah, Georgia. Come on down. Woo! Enter this way. Excellent.
Take the long path.
Fantastic. Woo! 183 ergo risks were eliminated, or ergo touch points were eliminated, so fantastic.
Okay, so the next Ergo Excellence Award is for transferability/scalability, and the winner goes to Project Rise, a no-bending solution, Amazon.
The force is with Amazon! And this is only the second time we have had this Excellence Award. This is a newer award. We started this one last year, so congratulations, Amazon. Is your video going? Did you hit the button? Is your video going?
No, it's playing. It's playing in the
yeah, just
background.
switch it back.
They're doing it back there.
Some fun music in these videos.
Nice job.
Great job. Woo!
This one, mine or yours?
I think
It's yours. I did
this is
Amazon.
mine. Excellent. So I get to do the final Excellence Award of 2025. And this is for presentation quality. And we had, as Jeff said, some fantastic presentations delivered in the booths. And so you all did a fantastic job, but the force is with, may the force be with you. Jedi training. Woo, 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 woo. Oops, I already lost it.
Come on down.
Come on down, Honda! Thank you again for the props.
My name is Daniel Rocha. I am the ergonomic specialist in new model development at Honda Canada Manufacturing. The process of the lower door garnish that goes into decorate the bottom of the door. It's important to consider the force for that door because we ended up finding some issues with overexertion. This was causing some clip to dislodge and the tape to come undone from the door, which then led to some market claims.
My name is Steven Singh. I work at Honda Canada Manufacturing and this has been a good thing. We expect to apply force to this lower door garnish for 60 newtons.
Introducing it and you're doing the first one.
Yep.
Okay.
During the new model development, we ended up finding out that associates were using up to 170 newtons of force to set the lower door garnish, which is obviously well beyond our Honda ergonomic guidelines.
To install the part, we need all of this tape to be installed properly. When the tape goes onto the car, because it's not feasible to take the part off after the car is built, it's impossible to see how well the associate install the part. We're considering fully automating the process. However, due to line characteristics, it's very tricky to automate this process. So we needed to come up with a training module to essentially replicate installing this part, so we would know if it's installed properly.
Wow.
The training module was intended to be used as a sort of a muscle memory. The associates would learn how to apply the appropriate amount of force so that we met the appropriate ergo guidelines for install.
We took a lower door garnish and we added force gauges to the door garnish and put it on the door at the correct height. They can see real time how much force they're putting, where they're putting it. The part needed to be robust and flexible at the same time. We set it up so they all just touch the body and they're all sitting at 0 newtons when it's at rest. And we calibrated using an external force gauge. You can see their force feedback easily. But in 2018, we had 198 warranty claims pertaining to this part install. And in 2023, we had 7 warranty claims. I take pride in a lot of work I do. And to see this being implemented and being used by the associates every day, I feel like a lot of accomplishment at the end of my day.
Very clever.
So with them, it's the right amount of force has been applied. There you go. There we go. Okay, well now it's time to move to the Ergo Cup Awards. Woohoo! We have 6 of them to award. And like the Excellence Award, we'll ask the winning team to come up on the left side of the stage. And you'll get your picture taken right about here. And then you'll exit on the right-hand side of the stage. You will get your Ergo Cup to take with you. In a few weeks, you will be sent a plaque that you can adhere to it. But if you want to take it with you in the box with all the padding, you're welcome to grab a box over by the column there on the right. So I think it's time to get going, don't you?
You guys ready?
Yeah!
Are you ready?
Are you ready?
So I have the privilege to announce the first Ergo Cup winner, and this one is for Ergonomic Program Improvement Initiatives. May the force be with Toya Ability, Toyota Motor Manufacturing, San Antonio, Texas.
Congratulations.
Amazing, amazing.
Great. Awesome. Congratulations. Scoot in,
Yep.
scoot in, scoot in. There you go. Excellent. Fantastic. Congratulations.
Hey, that's what it's all about right there. That's what it's all about.
Great job.
Awesome.
And this is a special honor because even though we had this category last year, we did not have any projects attend and display at the conference. So this is the very first Ergo Cup ever awarded in the new product or new job design solutions. And the force is with Unbox Manufacturing Seats and Packs, Tesla, Palo Alto, California. Woo! Come on down. Congratulations. Good job.
Congrats.
Hello, my name's Chris Madden, and I'm a manufacturing engineer here at Tesla. You join me with inside the Tesla Cybertruck, and we're here to talk about system hack. System hack, as the name suggests, is a process of directly mounting the interior structures to the top of the pack. Traditionally, those structures would mount to the body floor and the pack underneath. This architecture enabled us to delete a full sheet metal piece out of the body structure, saving costs and saving mass. The other huge benefit here is instead of our associates working through a door ring to build up our products, they now have direct access to the pack because we are assembling it without the body in place entirely. One of the bigger wins when you consider fully embracing the seats on pack architecture is rather than load individual parts, is to try and combine into bigger sub-assemblies. The sub-assembly that made the Cybertruck so special is the riser with the center console here. That traditionally wouldn't fit through the door opening or would be too slow to put on a high volume production line. But when you don't have the body architecture around you, you're able to walk directly up to the pack, locate to the back, drop this sub-assembly, secure with one piece of tooling. It's clever design, clever tooling, reduces headcount, reduces footprint in our factories.
Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Now you just got to bring me one of those Cybertrucks. Okay, so I have the pleasure to announce the next winner. This is the third winner for the Ergo Cup. So this is a task-focused workplace solutions category for manual material handling tasks. And the winner goes to
The force is with
IISE Ergo Handles, Cintas, Bedford, Virginia. Come on down.
At Cintas, our first aid and safety division provides many services to our customers to ensure the safety of all their employees. One of these services includes the install and refilling of portable eye wash stations. These stations use water stored into gray 12-gallon portable water reservoirs. To fill and refill the station water, the water reservoir must be taken to the nearest water source. Our partners must manually roll the reservoir to the water pump, fill them, and return them to the station while full. At some customer sites, this can be up to a 5-minute round trip. The design of the reservoirs forces partners to adopt awkward postures while moving them, putting large amounts of strain on their back, neck, and shoulders. Additionally, when full, the reservoir can weigh over 100 pounds, making the trip back to the eye wash stations very physically demanding. We designed an ergo-friendly handle that allows partners to move the reservoirs while staying in their power zone. The base of the handle fits securely within the pre-existing handle hole of the eye wash reservoir. The attachment plate then easily slides into place to secure the base of the handle to the reservoir. The handle is designed with a comfortable ergo grip and a wide bar that allows partners to use both of their hands to maneuver the reservoir. We designed several versions of this handle before arriving at this final design. It's simple, sleek, lightweight, and easy for anyone to use. Because the handle allows the tank to tip back, the height is easily adjusted to partners of all sizes. With the ergo handle inserted, the eye wash reservoir can be easily maneuvered as if it were a two-wheel dolly. The handle allows our partners to use two hands for stability and promotes postures within the power zone. These features reduce the risk of the job and make the refill process much more efficient. Without the handle, this job has a rapid entire body assessment score of 9, which indicates high ergonomic risks. With the handle, that score is reduced to 2, indicating low risks. At $349 a unit, the Ergo Eye Wash handle is an affordable and effective solution to reduce risks, promote efficiency, and make our partners' lives a little easier.
Great job, Cintas.
Woo! Great job. Okay, the next winner in the task-focused workplace solutions is from the repetitive and/or awkward posture category. And drum roll, the force is with
Smooth.
Toyota Tires of North America. And they also get the award for the largest team. So you're going to have problem with the photos.
Squeeze together like you like each other.
Good job. And I believe this is their second year participating, so fantastic. First year! Woo! You guys have done this before. You got it.
Get him in.
Great job.
Great job. How do you know? Do you know what time it is? Lunch. Okay. 2 more, I think, right?
Tell them if they want to take some pictures with the cup, they're going to take them outside for the banner.
Okay. If you would like to take team pictures with your cup out by the Ergo Cup banner, we will have a photographer out there ready to assist you. Excellence Awards, you can do that too.
Great job, guys. Great job.
Great job, Toyo.
Okay, so our next, we have 2 more, right? So the next category is another task-focused workplace solutions category for miscellaneous or multitask. And the winner goes to
The force is with
Advanced Rocket System Platform Rollover, Lockheed Martin Corporation, Camden. Great job, guys.
Congratulations.
Since the early 2000s, the HIMARS program has utilized the legacy platform card process to manufacture the launcher platform. Although considered state-of-the-art at the time, this process had significant limitations. In 2022, a team of engineers embarked on a mission to address several concerns with the primary objective of reducing worker fatigue, minimizing potential work hazards, and meeting increasing customer demands. The legacy process frequently required assemblers to lie on automotive creepers to access drilling points and fasteners used to join the platform to the sponsor. This process posed multiple safety and ergonomic risks to workers, including overhead drilling, eye hazards from metal shavings, and operator fatigue. Through innovation, the hero HIMARS ergonomic rollover optimization process was developed and implemented in mid-2024. The rollover process addresses several major concerns faced by assemblers: safety and ergonomics, process improvement, and cultural improvement. The rollover safely manipulates the 2,500-pound platform structure, providing unrestricted access to assemblers and eliminating overhead drilling, operator fatigue, and exposure to metal debris. The implementation of the HERO process has yielded numerous benefits, including improved workplace safety, increased workplace morale, improved worker retention, and enhanced overall quality and mission success. The HERO process is a testament to our dedication to innovation, safety, and excellence. At Lockheed Martin, we are committed to meeting our customers' missions and staying ahead of ready.
Great job, Lockheed.
And I have the privilege of announcing the final Ergo Cup Award winner of 2025. Are you ready?
Last but not least.
Woo! It's a task-focused workplace solutions, but this is in the maintenance and other non-standard tasks category. And the fourth is with wireless bob and lock detection, Michelin, Anderson, South Carolina. Woo!
This rotating carousel on our BNS tire building machine is called the Noria. Operators load product bobbins at the Noria buckets at the ground level, and bobbins are unwound for tire building at the top of the Noria, which is approximately 22 feet above the floor. The Noria rotates bobbins in full rotation,
Nice job, guys.
so only mechanical assemblies
waited a long
are able to be used on the product buckets. The bobbins are locked in the buckets by manual locking assemblies. Unlocked bobbins can cause one of two problems. One, the bobbin can unwind all of its product into the Noria. Two, the bobbin can come unseated from the bucket and have over 100 pounds of material in the bobbin to fall on the floor. The worst case scenario would be a bobbin falling onto the floor while the operator is exchanging bobbins in a lower Noria bucket. Both instances require calling for a maintenance intervention in which a maintenance person has to lock out the machine, tie off with their harness, and climb out onto the top of the Noria to wind up the product or put the bobbin back in place and lock it back in while working at an irregular posture in an irregular position and working with weight in excess of 100 pounds. There's an average of 4 unlocked bobbin buckets that leave the load-unload station per month per machine. We brought together a team to collaborate on the problem and possible solutions. The solution we chose was a wireless switch that is self-powered by its plunger movement. After the wireless system has been installed on the first machine for over 6 months, no unlocked product bobbins have been able to leave the load-unload station without being corrected, and no bobbins have unwound and or fallen out of this machine. If a bobbin is left in an unlocked state and the operator tries to rotate the bucket to another rotational position, a fault will be present, making the operator aware that one or both bobbin locks are in an unlocked state. This solution eliminated all ergo and safety risks to maintenance, since operators are now alerted to correct the unlocked state of bobbins before problems occur. The cost of this detection system is $5,417 per machine, $21,668 for all 4 BNS machines. The downtime of this problem is equal to $30,000 of lost profit per year. The ROI of this project is a little over 8 months.
Great job, Michelin. Great job.
And we even got to meet the Michelin Man. Woohoo!
And you guys can drink out of these Ergo Cups a little bit later if you'd like to. I would just recommend you rinse them out a little bit first, okay?
Okay, well, it's been an exciting year. We had some folks, first time ever, attend and win. We had some folks who had been here a long time, competed for many years, and won their first Ergo Cup Awards. So it's been fantastic. Thank you all for being part of this fabulous competition. Now I get to actually put another hat on and pretend I just put on a cowboy hat, because I also get to close us for the event, because I am the incoming chair. So I would like to thank you for being here and wish you safe travels and say howdy. I hope I'll see y'all in Texas, in Arlington, Texas, in early March of next year. Thank you to all of you attendees, Ergo Cup teams, the IISE, the Ergonomics Center of North Carolina, for making this one fabulous event. Take care. See you next year.
Thanks, everybody. You guys are the best.